So if I'm gonna go to the daily chart, which I'm gonna go for it over here, 1-day chart. So as you see, right now the market is over here and this is my position, right? Right now I am down. I was down to almost $13,000 and it just bounced back towards me. And right now, if I'm gonna go to my position in order to show it to you, as you see over here, right now I am at 8,000. If you follow my cursor over here, $8,853 minus, right? And the market keeps changing, as you see, because this is the live, obviously. And if I'm gonna go back over here, for me, in order to make up my mind, I need the market to goes up again up to 5,000. If it's gonna hit the 5,000 market, then I'm gonna go for my last position in order to adjust my current position and raise it up. As you might know, for the cryptocurrency market, every market, by the way, has its own regulation and its own structure. But for the market like a cryptocurrency, once you try to harvest and try to get a multiple position in the market, so they are not going to let you to get an individual position. What they do, they're gonna let you to harvest, but as a result they're gonna adjust your position accordingly. So right now my position is at $3,731, and if it's gonna hit $5,000, I'm gonna go for my last position, and it's gonna raise me up to 4,500 based off my calculation. If it's gonna hit above 5,000, and then I'm gonna be readjusted to 4,500 position, and I'm gonna keep it steady until it's gonna come towards favor me. And then once it's hit my target, then obviously it's gonna cash me out, right? So but my point is that sometimes it takes such a time for the market to come back or go more against you in order to let you to readjust yourself based off your understanding and your confidence level, right? So at this point, the market didn't go to that point. So market has basically three choices: either go sideways, which is the consolidation point, or goes towards up, which is the bullish market, or goes down, which is the bearish market. So there is no other way around it. Obviously, that's three choices that the market has. But sometimes, in order for the market to make a direction and get the direction, it takes time. It takes time because if the market is gonna reverse sharply, so everybody, they're gonna notified and they're gonna get to the position accordingly, right? But for those big guys in the market, they don't want that. They don't want you to make money. They want you to lose money, and as a result, they want your money on their side. And as a result, even though if the market is gonna goes back, it's gonna goes back to the point that it's gonna surprise everybody and it's gonna liquidate everybody, right? So at this point, the market to me is not clear. It's going sideways. And if I'm gonna go back to 15 minutes chart again and maximize my charting, as you see, so over here, this is 15 minutes chart, right? Follow my cursor over here. And as you see, the market right now is at $4,470, right? And I am at 3,700 something, right? So 750, I guess, or 40.